Now let's solve these numericals. Now in this numerical, the question asks about what is the equivalent resistance between A and B. Now you can see this is an infinite series, this pattern. Now in such cases, what we do, we normally take it as an equivalent value R or X, whatever you want. So we will eliminate this entire chain and we will replace it by R or X. The choice is yours. So the new design or the new pattern of the connections will be like this. This is 1 ohm, 1 ohm, and now this entire will be replaced by R or X, whatever you want. So this is A, this is B. Now what is the equivalent value of X and 1 in parallel? The answer will be 1 into X divided by 1 plus X. So this is the equivalent value of 1 and X in parallel. Now that is in series with 1. So the total value will become plus 1. So what will be the value in this case? Now when you will eliminate this entire value will be equals to X. So X 10 plus 1 plus X equals to X into X plus 1, right? So this will be 1 plus 2X equals to X square plus X. So the value is X square minus X minus 1 equals to 0. Now let us find the value. The alpha will be, we know the roots are minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. So the value of X will be minus b. So this will be plus 1, plus minus we will not take because the resistance cannot be negative, b square minus 4ac. So 1 plus 4 divided by 2a. So the answer is 1 plus root over 5 by 2. 1 plus root over 5 by 2. So this is the answer. Now in this question, the two bulbs have been given, V1 and V2. Their power rating has been given 100 watt 250 volt, 100 watt 200 volt, and they have been combined and they have been connected with 250 volt. Now we know that first of all we should find out the resistance of this bulb. So what is the resistance of the first bulb? So R1, it will be V square by P. So what is your V? 250. So 250 square divided by P, 100. So the answer is 25 into 25, 625. Now the second one, what will be the resistance of the second bulb? V square by P. So it will be 200 whole square divided by 100. So this will be 25 into 25 divided by 100. No, this is correct. So 200 by 100. So it will be 200 into 200 divided by 100. Now this is correct. Right? So this will be 400. So this is 625 ohm and 400 ohm. Now they have been connected in series. So when they are connected in series, what will be the total resistance? The total resistance R will be 625 plus 400. This is the total resistance. So it will be 1025 ohm. Now what is the current in the circuit? So I will be V by R 250 divided by 1025. So when you will divide, it will come around 0.24 something. So then what is the question? The question is across PD across B2. So the PD will be I into R. So since they are connected in series, therefore the current remains the same. So I into R, the I is this much and multiply with the resistance of the second bar. So 250 by 1025 into resistance 400. So when you will solve, it will come less than 100, that is 98. So this will be 97 point something, so it will be 98 volt. So the option is C. In this question, they are asking that what is the value of R if the current is 0.25 ampere given in the circuit. Now let us find out the equivalent resistance. So the current is flowing from here, and now from here we can see that the terminal of the 10 ohm, the terminal of 20 ohm and the terminal of 60 ohm all are connected at one point. So these are all parallel. So 10, 20 and 60, they are in parallel. So the 1 by R, I am calling it small r because capital R is given here. So 1 by small r will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. So what will be the value? If you take 60 as an LCM, then this will be 6 plus 3 plus 1. So it will be 10 by 60. Therefore, R will be 6 ohm. Now, so since they have given you the current over here, so what is the current? 0.25. The total resistance is how much? 6R plus 6, right? So now what will be the PD across that? Let us find out. So R is, small r is 6. Now if the current is 0.25, since I equals to V by R, so I is 0.25, 0.25, that is equals to 12 divided by capital R plus small r. So 12 divided by capital R plus 6. This is equal to 0.25. So therefore R plus 6 equals to 12 divided by 0.25. That is 48. So R equals to 48 minus 6 equals to 42. So the answer is 42. Okay. Like this, we can solve the other numericals. Okay.